Capricorn, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the full moon in Capricorn energy. Yeah, guys, it's an intense time for all of us, but you know that how to deal with it. But I'm so happy that you guys are giving me response and for your love, for your comments on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Capricorn, let's start your reading. This is for the Capricorn people, for the full moon in Capricorn. So yeah, Capricorns, let's see Capricorns. And we are in the Cancer season, which is your natural 7th, so definitely it is maybe beneficial for your partnership house, and definitely it will show you something important. So let's see what is coming for the Capricorns for the full moon in Capricorn energy. What is coming for the Capricorn for this time period? What is coming for the Capricorn? Let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Capricorn. 7 of Swords. But let's see. 8 of Pentacles. Queen of Swords. Tower. Okay. 7 of Pentacles. Chariot. Wow, right in the heart of your spread we have Chariot. Oh my god. This is the Cancerian energy. Wow. Okay. Queen of Pentacles. Here you are, Capricorn. You are the Queen of Pentacles. Emperor. 7 of Cups. So we have 3 sevens here, which is telling me that yeah, it's important for you. Sun. Wow, beautiful. Okay, Capricorn, don't be in your headspace, because new things, good things are coming your way. Okay, don't be in your headspace. If you're not in your headspace space, then it must be your person, you know that who is on which side. Okay, this is 7 of Swords. I'm feeling that you are in your a little bit more in your headspace, and you think that whoever you are dealing with, they were sneaky, they were nasty, they were playing games, they were mind games, like they were playing mind games with you, and they were just not honest with you. This is your thinking about them. But let's see what is coming with the 8 of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, and the Tower. I'm feeling that this was in the workspace, and you were very logical at that time, because you are logical, Capricorn, you know that. And I'm feeling that they want something else from you, but you were focused on your work and you were very practical. Yeah, and they want something emotional, maybe that's why this Tower happened, because this is Mars and Aries. Yeah, like both of you were not on the same page, yeah, at that time of the past. Well, let's see. 7 of Pentacles, Chariot, and the Queen of Pentacles. Now I'm feeling that maybe some of you are dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, yeah, Aries twice here, and Leo. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is also here. But I'm feeling that now this is the time that you have waited for this person a long time, but like not sitting and sleeping, no, not that type of wait. You, in the waiting period, you have worked on yourself and your stability. Yeah, that's an important thing. But in the back of your mind, you were thinking like, wow, if this person was true to me, then why did they do this to me? But I'm feeling that the person is coming to their senses, and the universe is pushing them to come on, go towards the Capricorn, go towards the Capricorn, go towards the Capricorn. Universe is pushing them, yeah, go, come on, go. But maybe they are coming, because this is a fast movement, and this is you, this is your person, and this is you, so they're coming for you after a long period of time. Okay, with the Emperor, 7 of Cups, and the Sun card, I'm feeling that person has big ego, maybe stable, maybe very famous in their family circle, in their society, and they have high position, high ranked, you know, that government office job like that. But they have high position in their society and in their atmosphere, and maybe they are more stable than you, Capricorn. But you are the Queen of Pentacles, which is really stable and grounded, mature, loving, caring, independent, confident. So they like these beautiful qualities in you. And they were very confused before, but now they know the truth about you, that yeah, really, you were very honest with them at that time. And if they were demanding something from you at that time, that was not the right time. So I'm feeling that they're coming into their senses that this is the right time for this union. So that's why they're coming your way. Ooh. So let's see, what is the Seven of Swords for the Capricorn? Page of Swords, King of Cups, King of Pentacles. Okay. I'm feeling that you were not with them at that time, and yeah, definitely they were also very stable and they have love for you, very deep emotions for you, deep love. But when you were with you were not with them, because after that Tower moment, when they were demanding something else from you and not the commitment, like I'm feeling that vibe that you were interested in the practicality of the things, like in commitment or marriage. So yeah, Capricorn, I was telling you that you were interested in marriage or long-term partnership commitment, because with the Queen of Pentacles, they doesn't want anything less than commitment. Yeah, and they were interested in something else before, because they have love for you. I'm feeling that that was an instant spark between you and them, but you were trying to be practical. You were just like trying to be, yeah, practical, because you don't want anything in your workspace like that flirtatious. Yeah, but I'm feeling that when you walked away from their life, or after that Tower moment, they were just watching you. They want to know, like, what are you doing without them? Like, you forget them very easily. This kind of vibe I'm getting. What is this Queen of Swords for the Capricorn? In most of your reading, you are the Queen of Swords, which is very practical, and if the person doesn't serve them, cut them out. Ooh. So you have cut that person out. Two of Wands, Magician, Four of Swords. Oh wow. Nine of Pentacles, bottom of the deck, which is completion. Very confident energy, very grounded, very, independent person. Yeah, you really want to move forward with them, and you think that by in your practicality, like by being in your practical mode and working honestly with them, you will manifest them. And I'm feeling that this was your very decision, like you have think about it very carefully, and then I'm feeling that you have done your part very honesty, with very honestly. Yeah, you've done your part. What is this Chariot here? Five of Swords, Five of Cups, Six of Pentacles. Yeah, see, now they are feeling left out in the cold, and they are feeling sad. They are feeling really, they think that you have said them no, and it's an insult for them. They are feeling insulted by you, that it hits their ego or hurts their ego. But I'm feeling that after a long period of time, with the Seven of Pentacles energy, they are coming into their senses and they want to make things balance with you. But you are very practical right now as well. You are in receiving energy, there's no doubt, and that's why the person is coming your way. I'm feeling that they really want to work things out with you, with the Six of Pentacles, and yeah, they are sad by losing that opportunity in the past with you. What is this Emperor for the Capricorn? Three of Swords, Eight of Wands. Wow, Wheel of Fortune, beautiful. Yeah, so this Emperor is your person. They want to communicate to you about their feelings, about their sadness without you. They were feeling sad, they were feeling ignored, they were heartbroken, because I'm feeling that these are their regrets that they want to discuss with you. Like, yeah, Capricorn, you were right. We were in love with each other, and that was a deep bond between you and me. But I didn't accept your offer at that time, or didn't, give you that importance at that time. And I'm feeling that this is the right time for this discussion. This is the right time. This person really wants to come forward to you, and they want to express you. They want to tell you. They really want to communicate to you about what happened without you with them. What the Sun card for the Capricorn, because they're feeling very stable with you. They're feeling very confident with you. Yeah. And without you, Three of Swords. What is the Sun? Knight of Swords. Judgment. Wow. Page of Wands. Ugh. So this is a second chance for them. They really want to grab this opportunity. This is an opportunity for them. Universe is giving them another opportunity to come back to you, and they're coming for you for the communication. I'm feeling that Capricorn, maybe some of you are dealing with a Leo or Cancer Leo placements, but this Emperor must be them or their father figure, because I'm feeling like this is a father figure. And when they will come to you, definitely they will talk about their father. Like, this is, their father is becoming a blockage for them. Their father is the third party. Yeah. So I'm feeling that maybe your father or whatever, whoever is this, the third person is here. But it's not like that third person, like not betrayal. No, this is a manipulative person who just continuously manipulate them. Or this person you are dealing with is trying to be manipulated by them, and they want to tell you that this person is a blockage for our union, and they are making this person a reason for that timing, for that unapproval when they didn't approve you in the past. So this person, this Emperor, is a big important reason for they didn't give you that importance in the past because of this Emperor. But now is the time has come, and universe is really, you can see this universe, and then happiness. Wow, you can see this. Okay, I hope you can see the cards. So wheel is turning in your favor. Things are going to be balanced for you, Capricorn. I'm happy for you. If you are if this is resonating with you, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestion in the comment section down below. I know this was earlier before. So yeah, guys, bye.